Worried about your next financial audit? Me too, but Epicor's tools can make it a breeze. At TechWeb, our goal is to help businesses use Epicor to stay compliant and audit ready year-round. Audit logs. Epicor tracks changes across key financial modules so you can quickly see who did what and when. Secure user permissions. Use role-based access to prevent unauthorized changes or data leaks. Financial reports and BAQs. Generate accurate balance sheets, P&Ls, and custom queries for auditors on demand. Document attachments. Attach invoices, receipts, and contracts directly to transactions for easy retrieval. Pro tip, run mock audits with your team to test your processes before the real thing. Want an Epicor audit readiness checkup? Call TechWeb today for a free consultation.